Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well. I am currently at the plant nursery. For us, Christmas begins only when we come to the nursery. I know this is like a summertime thing in other countries, but in Dubai, our summers are so hot that you can't really have plants. So when it becomes winter, we started off by buying loads of plants. So now let's go in.
This is neem plant.
It's a plant, it's not a tree.
No,
yet.
it's not a tree yet, but it's a sapling. It will grow.
There are such different trees.
You know, these flowers are herbal. This
And
is
what is
very
it
good
used
for?
for?
The skin.
Ooh,
Not everyone
face
knows
pack.
it. Yeah, but this is.
And what is it called?
I don't know the name. Don't ask me. the
Great
name.
job. This is like us fighting in Georgia, remember? Were you actually gonna touch that cactus?
No.
Okay. So far we have taken these two. This one is curry leaves and this one is tulsi, I think.
Yes, that's it.
Wait, he's saying that this soil is better than that
Yeah,
soil?
yeah.
Why? What's the difference?
He said this is from India.
And
I
that
don't
is
know
from?
where. The one is from Holland. He said.
Guys, Mama's asking me what that is, that fruit.
Tell me what.
I
fruit
think
is
it's
that?
papaya.
Yes, you.
Oh my god, I got it right. This time Beyonce was not there to influence me.
Okay.
What? Ooh. Lemons. They look so pretty.
We don't. Our garden is not so like balcony is not so big
Yeah.
to place it casting.
We are currently looking at rosemary and Mama's saying it looks way too thin. But he's like, this is the variety you get. This plant looks pretty.
इसको
What is
cut-
this?
You have to pull this fruit.
And then
उसका जो पत्ता है ना वो भी चाटनी बना के खाता है।
take it, no?
ये एक ही है भैया?
नहीं बहुत है। अब वो इधर बाहर
Oh,
इधर है,
inside.
इधर आओ।
He's taking us to get more. Where is it?
सब में
Oh, okay, all of these are. You guys, Mama's making me walk into this and I'm very scared of insects. This is all just a record. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I hope there are no insects here. Ew, I can see a few. We are done with our shopping. We got about 5 plants, right?
Yeah.
And then they also lined our trunk. I was going to tell the Indian word for that, which sounds weird. If you know, you know. Anyways, they lined our trunk with a plastic bag so that the sand does not fall, which I really like. Now, what is our plan next? We're going back home
Yeah, we'll go
and then
back
keep
home.
it all in.
Yeah.
And our garden is going to look so nice. I've missed it so much in summertime. It's barren, there's nothing over there, and as soon as winter comes it's all green and you have all these flowers and the fragrance from that. Do we have flowering plants this time?
No. Yes, we do. But
It'll take
that
time.
will bloom only in February, March.
February?
Yeah, because
Okay.
that's when it starts getting
We have like
warmer.
3 more months left for that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna enjoy our plant nursery finally, or our garden area, whatever it's called. It is the next day now and we are on our way to the flea market. So this flea market is right next to Mall of the Emirates, and once we're done with the flea market we'll go into the mall as well. I am excited to go to this place because I think last year only we have gone to the flea market and it was nice. You get good stuff there. Sometimes you have to search a lot, and we had just gone to the flea market to Georgia as well, so the vibes of all these things, I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to go today. Yeah, so now we're sitting in the car. It's like half an hour away and we'll be there. We're currently looking at this one so far. Out of all of these, you have to search so much, you guys. But I'm liking this one. Even Mama liked this, so I think I'm getting this one. We've only gone halfway through. We stopped at like, I think 3 stalls and there's so much more.
I would like to take this.
What is that? Oh, the holder for your spoons. But it will not match our decor. Guys, look at how creepy that doll is. All those dolls look like they're gonna get up and start walking around. Like, what the heck? Okay, we're almost reaching the end. Yeah, that's the end. Ahead? No, then we have to go on this side
Turn around.
and then we'll be done. If anyone knows what character this is, please let me know. I have no idea. It's not coming to my mind right now. Do you know? Not Pac-Man. Pac-Man is something else. Okay, comment down below. Thank you. Now we have stopped for a coffee break. They're drinking coffee over there, as you can see. And I got 2 beautiful dresses. Okay, 1 dress and 1 top. And Mama's still Oh, Dada wants to show. We got it from Grandiose.
Grandiose.
Yeah. What did you want to show me?
No, it was a sleeveless one. She
Oh.
likes this, no?
She likes cardigans, yes. Oh, sorry. This is for Savia. sorry. No, I ate that. Here. So our shopping is done. We're leaving now. Now we're on to snack number 2. Savia made what cake? This is Savia? Mava cake. I'm gonna eat this now. I still have my croissant left here. We are done with the day. We are like dangling everywhere because we are so tired from walking. Oh my god, what is that? Is that water?
Yes.
Or is that glass? It looks like glass. Wait,
saying it's
should I just go and step on it?
No, it falls.
It looks like glass. You guys, doesn't this look like glass?
Okay, let me try. Okay?
Try. It's glass.
No, it's water.
It's water. Okay, great job. We thought it was glass. It looked like glass, okay? Here's everything I got at the flea market. First off, I got these 3 beautiful cars. I absolutely love cars, so when I saw this, I was very excited. Next up, I got this super cool vintage watch from the brand Citizen, and the best part about this watch is that it's the Japanese edition, so the days of the week are written in Japanese, and I was in awe of this watch, so I got that. And last but not least, I got this jumper for Beyonce because in Georgia, as you guys saw in the previous vlogs, it gets really cold, so I thought this would be perfect for her. So we are out again. Yesterday we went to the flea market. Yesterday was it? Oh my god, okay, it feels like a long time back. Anyways, we went to the flea market yesterday, got a few things. After that we went to Mall of the Emirates. Did not find anything. Actually, Mama and Savia were looking for a dress for my cousin's christening, her son's christening actually. And they didn't find anything, so today we came to Mirdif and Mama again didn't find anything. So now we've just come down for dinner. And we're sitting at the Butcher's. We are trying this restaurant for the first time. So usually we go to Texas Roadhouse and get their steak, but today we're trying a different restaurant steak. So hopefully it's good. It looks good. So far the starters have come. I don't know what was this.
Sado and tomato.
Sado and tomato with something in it. Yeah, salsa in it.
The butcher.
Nana's keeping this next to the camera for me to tell the whole name. So this is why we have come, you guys. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy some family time. I'm missing Beyonce so much. Wherever we go, it's like one seat is empty. It's always full, and it's always been like that for us, but sadly she's not there. But thank God for FaceTime. We can talk to her how much ever we want. That is it for today's vlog. I hope all of you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!